Today we are going to learn a very simple and common Ukrainian dance move for both boys and girls called
Вихилясник. Вихилясник
is a folk movement, a playful element in Ukrainian dance that often appears in hopak, kozachok and stage choreography. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparation position. Feet parallel, heels and toes together. Lift your right leg and hold for counts 1, 2. Then make 3 small steps in place. Right, left, right. Repeat with the left leg. This is a transition move. Step 2. Now place your leg to the side on your toe on 1, with your heel lifted. On 2, switch the position. Heel down, toe up. Step 3. Let's put everything together. 1, 2, point heel. 1, 2, 3, step, step, step. Step 4. Arm positions. For girls, fold both hands in front of your chest. For boys, fists on the hips. See you in the next tutorial.